This is a 2011 Ford F-150. It features a 5.0-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, automatic locking wheel hubs, a bed liner, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a power driver's seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 19,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Inver Grove Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4725 South Robert Trail in Inver Grove Heights.